Hello guys. Before starting any project in Revit, you need to make sure that your levels are set, right? So let's just hover over into any elevation, right? View, and then let's start setting up. The first elevation I'm gonna set is the top of foundation, right? I'm gonna name it top of foundation, TOF, right? And I'm gonna make it 600 deep, right? Okay, 600 deep, right? And then the second elevation you need to make, right, is the first floor plan, right? Okay, let's rename it. It's gonna be the first floor level, right? And then the third one, right? Let's make it the wall plate. Wall plate height, right? Wall plate. Now let's make it wall plate level. And then the last one, let's change this name to natural ground level. Yes. And then this one, let's make it roof height level. Height level. Right. Okay, so there's another thing we need to make again, right? Between the first floor level and the natural ground level, we need to make the veranda level, right? Let's make it a veranda level. Let's make it more small cap, right? Veranda level. Enter. Okay. Usually I hide this, so let's just zoom it all. And then what we need to do, we need to hover over there, view, plan view, floor plan. We need to make this visible on the floor plan thing. And then I usually like to work from the natural ground level. Okay, this is it on how to create levels on Revit, right? See you on the next video.